Oh, it's cool looking. And I'm short, thank goodness.
It's an eagle right there.
Yeah.
Or an osprey or something.
It is a wild eagle.
Wow, isn't that crazy?
Look at this. Go baby. Wow. Caves and coffee. I'm on like day 8 of my trip. It kind of is all blending together. And PEI this morning. Oh my gosh, look at this. Just waking up from camp, but I got to show you what we got going on here. All right, look at this. What do we got going on? Hey. All right. Good morning. There it is. An ADV. Here we are. PEI. And what's the bay here called?
This is Brackley Bay.
This is Brackley Bay.
So over there is Stanhope.
Okay.
Those little mountains that you see,
yeah,
are actually sand dunes.
No.
That is Brackley Beach, and that's PEI Provincial Park.
Oh, that's very cool.
I took this out.
Okay.
Did you hear the coyotes off?
Yeah, totally.
Did you hear the one bark at us this morning?
Yeah, I sure did.
Here he is right here. Well, he's not here.
Well, okay.
I don't know where he came.
Oh, but we got the tracks.
Yeah, so here's where he came in.
Yeah.
That's pretty shallow for a little ways. So I don't know
Okay.
if he came in from the water, but you can see him. He walks up here. He does the old doggy dog shake.
Yep.
He carries on, probably gives us a show. Moves on his merry way.
Oh, man. Oh, there's that heron. I see. Let's see if I can see him.
This is on another level, man.
Well,
literally.
Yeah, I might have made this one a little too tall, but it's kind of what I have here is I have a hammock with a rainfly. You got to have the air mattress in there to keep you warm,
Oh yes, yes.
and then just a bivy sack, sleeping bag.
And you
But
got
what I
the big
like-
gear tarp.
Yeah, I always like to have a tarp here, and the big thing is I like a little room to get dressed in the morning,
Yeah, that's a good call.
and so I always like a little stand-up room. If I can, it can roll right into the right into getting up and getting dressed here, so you're not getting too wet if it is rainy out. Well, good morning, everybody. Again, we're getting ready to pack on out and head on out. We are packed out. We're just gonna head on out, go back, regroup, and figure out the plan of the day. So Allie and ADV and I are heading out, breaking camp. Let's go. And we're leaving camp. There we go. Not too bad to get back here. Oh, it's cool looking. And I'm short, thank goodness. I saw you clear it yesterday, so. Oh, snap! Where was it?
It dropped like probably 10 feet from the exit. Don't worry.
Thank you, man. All right, I'll go get that camera. I'll be back.
Camp overnight
That was
there.
great, man. Thank you. That was fantastic.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, it's a beautiful spot.
Yeah, for sure.
So we'll head back to base camp, I guess.
Okay.
And I'll get you squared away with a nice little route that'll keep you busy for the day.
Okay. Good.
So I think a fun little run would be up through Brackley,
Yup.
and then we'll go down through Stanhope,
Okay.
and then we'll rotate our way back to the homestead there.
That sounds good to me. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a wall of fog right there.
It's an eagle right there,
Yeah.
or an osprey or something.
It is the bald eagle.
Wow, isn't that crazy?
Wow.
Another speed bump here for you.
Yeah. Bald eagle.
That cool, eh? Riding.
Flying with us. Well, thank you, my friend.
I know, epic. Stuff like that happens on the island all the time. You get these weird, epic moments. Set me up for a perfect day ride.
Oh Lord, that's beautiful.
Sometimes, and I just chill out here for a couple minutes before heading home.
That's totally worth it. Wow.
Congratulations, man. Northbound. You did it.
Northbound, done. Did it. Oh, this is gonna be selfie time. I gotta go grab it.
Absolutely.
Oh wow. Wow guys, look at this. Brackley, what's the name of the beach? Oh, I'm screaming. Okay, what's the name of the beach? Delve Beach. Wow. Let's see what we got. Delve Beach. Let's see what we can see. I guess we're right there. Oh wow. Prince Edward Island. Very cool. Cool. Alright, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the invite. It's been awesome. It's been awesome.